Do you know what happens when you damage your camera? I'm afraid I do now. At least I didn't drop it myself, but I'm not going to point fingers. The only damage my FX3 had was to its screen connection. It wiggled a bit and it was harder to turn it around. It still worked fine, but I need to be able to rely on that camera, so just to be sure I had it repaired. I brought my camera back to the store and they sent it to the factory. It took Sony a month and 2 days before applying. They came to the conclusion that they had to replace the screen. They gave me 3 options. 1. Replace the screen for $500. 2. Get it back without fixing it for $75. Or 3. Leave it at their German factory for $0. That's extremely expensive for a screen repair, but I had no options because I need that camera for my work. Luckily, I'm leasing the camera and I have an insurance, so I just had to pay $150 and my insurance covers the rest of the costs. I approved the repair and then the waiting game started. It took them exactly 1 month before I got the email saying it was ready and I could pick it up. I think it's expensive and it sucks that they can't fix it locally and faster. I didn't have my camera for over 2 months without having any clear indication of when I would get it back. Anyways, I'm super happy to have my camera back. I hope I never damage it again. Mwah!